This is gonna blow your mind. Your fridge is a secret superhero in your kitchen. Let's uncover its secrets. Refrigerators slow down bacterial growth by keeping the temperature low, usually between 35 F and 38 F. This chilly environment prevents your food from spoiling. Here's a cool tidbit. Before electric fridges, folks used iceboxes filled with giant ice blocks to keep things cool. Talk about old-school refrigeration. Your fridge is also a health guardian. By keeping harmful bacteria like E. coli and Salmonella in check, it's the unsung hero of food safety. And let's not forget the freezer. Freezing food stops bacteria growth entirely, letting you store stuff for months. Plus, flash freezing keeps those nutrients intact. Quick tip: store perishables like milk and eggs in the coldest part of the fridge, not the door. Keep your food fresh, stay safe, and appreciate your fridge. Hit like and subscribe for more cool facts.